Okay, this is the beginning of the synthesis of biodiesel lab. I have all my equipment for this lab laid out over here. So it's the pouring stuff over there. Here's my face, wearing all PPE. So get started by weighing this stuff. 0.02 grams. Wow, that is nothing. Into this container here, this little vial. And yeah, I'm going to start this lab. Figured out our 8 milliliters of methanol. Right on the money there. I'm fixing to add it to the vial. Ever so carefully. Okay. We're about halfway through our time. Figured now's a good time to shake it again. Yeah, that's kind of cool actually. Just like thinking what we're making. It's kind of cool. I might go ahead and measure out our vegetable oil just so that it's ready by the time that this solution is ready. We can go ahead and pour it in and begin that process. Okay, the solution has been sitting for 10 minutes. I'm going to open away from me because pressure. Yep, I felt it a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to add our 1 milliliter of biscuit butter, vegetable oil to the mixture. The vegetable oil has to slide down the side, so this takes a second. But yeah, other than that, we just gotta shake it. Oh, shit! Oh, I knew it was gonna happen. Okay, well, I was able to save a decent bit of it with a pipette. So I was able to just like pull it all together on the table and suck it back up and then spit it back in. But we did lose a decent bit, which is sad because I don't have enough of this to redo. Enough of the methanol, not methane, to retry it. But we're just gonna see what we can do with this. I actually got a decent bit of it back in. So yeah, now we're just gonna let this sit for 48 hours and begin activity 2. Okay, this is the synthesis of biodiesel day 2 checkup. So this thing has been for 24 hours. I've already shaken it up a little bit, but I figured I should get some on footage just for the sake of it. Show what it looks like. The oil was at the bottom whenever I first looked at it. Hopefully we saved enough of the hydroxide to make it good quality for our testing for solution 2. It's really what I'm worried about because I don't have enough to make more. But yeah, that's that. Daily checkup. Alright, it has been 48 hours since the creation of our biodiesel sample, which means now we get to move on to activity 2 and really just fill out a table and then take the oops, that's this one. It's test our sample, test our quality. So here's sample. Oil's kind of gathered at the bottom, so I'll give her a little shake. And then yeah, we go get some supplies and test our solution. Okay, so we have measured our, oh, it turned off, but we measured our graduated cylinder. And we added about 1 milliliter. Ended up adding just a hair too much. So we recorded that in the table. And then calculated the mass of the biodiesel from this from this setup. And then, oh yeah, we did the little pH test, which I'm currently holding, which it got like a 7, which I was actually kind of surprised with, but yeah. Okay, we've added those, so 7 milliliters of our methanol, and then 1 milliliter of our biodiesel. And then we're going to shake her. And then wait 10 minutes to come back and then check our results. But yeah. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and there is no layer amongst this test tube, which I believe means that it was fully synthesized. Which means, yay, success. So now I just gotta write it down and then answer the conclusion questions.